So, mega. Assalamualaikum my friend. كيف حالك انت؟ تمام؟ تمام الحمد لله. Yeah, man. It was good. Super good. I get to see my parents there. April again. There's only you in my life, and it's in the stride. My first love. you know that song? Yeah, okay, my friend. Can I have mega expensive? No, huh? 5? Check. Okay, 1 mega, 1 super, 1 power. Getting expensive. Even lottery. What is that? How much, my friend? 8. And give me 7 fantasy, please. Which one is the best one? Oh, mega still, huh? And 1 more mega and 1 power. Okay. 1 mega and 1 power. 7? Is this accepted? Oh, okay. How come it's not taking it in the machine sometimes? Oh, yeah, machine, huh? And 1 more fantasy. Yeah, it's weird, yeah. I thought it's fake. So I'm good, my friend. I'm gonna go back again April. Yeah, need to see my parents there. It's hot, but it's okay. Okay, my friend. See you. Good luck to us. Okay. So, yan ang ating lottery. I-fix it. Okay, bye-bye. Nalo tayo.